How to make curly hair soft and manageable. One of the biggest problems with curly hair is that it tends to frizz, especially when hit with humidity. Plus, it is more prone to split ends and breakage, and brushing can worsen this. So, the first rule for curly hair is to reduce the frizz and keep it well conditioned. There are many hair care products in the market to smooth and soften frizzy curls. Such products will give you immediate results, but, in the long run, they will do more harm to your hair than good. A preferable solution is some simple, natural home remedies that will help tame your curls and make your hair more manageable. In this video, I will tell you some remedies to make curly hair soft and manageable. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is the first remedy, and sometimes, the only remedy you need to go for to manage those stubborn curls. It works as a natural hair clarifier and gives your hair that gorgeous look and shine. The mildly acidic nature of apple cider vinegar helps in maintaining the hair's pH balance. It also detangles the hair follicles and seals the hair cuticles. Method to apply. Take equal amounts of apple cider vinegar and water and mix both. Shampoo your hair properly and rinse your hair using the solution. Leave it undisturbed for a few minutes and then rinse again using cold water. Do this once or twice a month. Use eggs. Eggs, apart from making those delectable omelets, can also solve your curl troubles. These are one of the most popular home remedies for curly hair. Eggs are rich in protein and biotin that help in controlling hair loss. Also, egg protein is considered the ideal nutrient required for strong hair. Biotin deficiency leads to hair loss, thereby establishing the fact that eggs are indeed necessary for healthy hair. Method to apply. Take a bowl and whisk 1 egg in it. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix well. Apply the mixture to your hair and leave it undisturbed for about 30 minutes. Wash your hair thoroughly with cold water. Use avocado. This single-seeded large-sized berry is an effective remedy to set your curls right. It will leave your curls hydrated and manageable. Vitamin E is a key nutrient in avocados. It helps in maintaining the integrity of cell membranes of the hair follicles, thereby keeping the hair strong. Method to apply. Mash 1 avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of yogurt till you get a creamy paste. Apply this paste to your hair and leave it undisturbed for about an hour. Rinse with water and then shampoo as usual. Use aloe vera. If there is any ingredient you can blindly rely on to treat your curl problems, it is aloe vera. It plays a major role in making the hair smooth and shiny. Aloe vera balances the pH level of the scalp, thereby preventing hair loss that is caused due to dry, infected or irritated scalp. Aloe vera gel can be used to treat hair conditions like lice and dandruff. Method to apply. Take fresh aloe vera gel and massage it into your hair. Leave it undisturbed for 15 minutes, and then rinse with lukewarm water following by a mild shampoo. Use hibiscus. The hibiscus flower is one of the most effective natural remedies for curly hair. So if you are looking forward to set your curls right, get a hold on a bunch of these flowers. Hibiscus is generally used to enhance hair growth. It also plays a major role in eliminating toxins and stimulates circulation in the scalp, thereby countering problems like hair loss and dandruff. Method to apply. Take 4 hibiscus flowers and a few leaves and grind them with a little water. Apply it to your hair and leave it undisturbed for about 20 minutes. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water and shampoo your hair the next day.